Welcome to our DMC YouTube channel. For this episode, I'm going to share to you how to upload longer videos on your Instagram story. Normally, when we upload our Instagram stories, it's around like 15 seconds for one stories. But what if your story is like more than 1 minute or 2 minutes? How are you going to do that? Okay, so remember to watch the video until the end and you will just know how to do it. Okay, let's check it out. Channel. For this episode, I'm going to show you guys how to upload more longer videos on Instagram. First of all, like usual, you have to have your own Instagram account and log it in. And also, what you're going to do is you have to click on this camera on the left hand side here, and then you have to choose your videos that you want to upload. Example for this one, okay? This Instagram story is the one that I'm going to post right now, and inside is around like more than like 5 minutes video, but for here we got four stories that combine together that become one video. Okay, let's have a look right now how we're gonna upload for this. Okay, because basically the story that we upload is around like 15 seconds, but this one we got like 15 seconds, we got times four. Okay, there's four story here. Okay, the third one and the fourth one. Okay, all this is the one that combine together. So how you're gonna upload is actually like usual. You can just choose the Instagram, the GIF that you want to, because this video is actually about our DMC training YouTube. So what I'm gonna type is I will just look for some, YouTube, YouTube, the GIF for this. I'll just press this one, DMC YouTube, the logo. I'll just click on DMC DMC training. Okay, I type DMC training and I will choose the black color font, and here you go. You see that? Okay, and after that I will go for the next video, which is the second one that you can see on the bottom right here. You see that? The second one. This is our second video, okay, which is this one. Okay, did you see that? It's a second path. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I will tag use the hashtag. Okay, just now I'm using the YouTube logo, and now I'm gonna use another one as well, which is which one is nice. We'll try this one, tutorial. Okay, tutorial, and I will choose one more YouTube logo as well. I love this emoji so much, these stickers. It looks cool. Okay, and I'm gonna try some hashtag. Okay, hashtag, I will just type in new video. I'm gonna let our students and also our clients know that we have our new videos in our YouTube channel for the shout out, and I will just click this. Okay, and after that I will just tag Zevin, because in this video is Zevin, and I will tag her so that she can see this video and repost my stories later. Okay, guys? So here we are. I can choose any colors for this. I will choose for the orange one, for this one, and I'll put in here so that you can see there's some empty space. There's some empty space on the bottom left, and you can get one more sticker as well, because for this one we'll just try to find WhatsApp, because for this stories tutorial is actually about WhatsApp. Okay, about WhatsApp, I'll just click on this one. Here you are. Okay, how about the third story? Same step as well. You can just follow the things that you wanted. Okay, based on the last episode that I teach you guys, right, you can just check in location for your story. So now we're gonna do some check in location, like I'm gonna check in Kuala Lumpur as well. Okay, we'll check in Kuala Lumpur, and I'm gonna use something like WordPress, because for this topic, we're actually talking about how to plug in the WhatsApp in the WordPress. So I will try to find some related stickers on that, you know, WordPress. There's no result for the WordPress. Oh, so we have it. Okay, WordPress. Then you just click this one. I love WhatsApp. Sorry, WordPress. And we add on one more WhatsApp as well. Here you are. You know, see that? New. This is so much fun if you like to, you know, do this some animation, you know, the GIF on the story, especially on this Instagram. So here you are. You can just choose the emojis or the logos that you like and put it up on. Definitely not this one. So we'll take one more and we use the double tick, the double blue tick over here. Okay, and then just make it bigger, the new. And how about the last stories, which is the fourth one? Okay, it's kind of empty because this stories basically is not a full video. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna ask the Instagram clients or students or the subscribers to drive traffic to my YouTube DMC. So I'll just type, please subscribe. Please subscribe to our DMC YouTube channel, which is now, okay? Subscribe our channel. Please subscribe our channel, DMC YouTube channel. Okay, I'll make it in the black color font. So it's a call to action for this. And I will just find another YouTube sticker as well. YouTube stickers. I like this one so much. And we just choose new video, you know, like this. So once we're done, you can check in another round for this location checking. I'll put in another location, which is in Petaling Jaya, Malaysia. And here we are. So that's how you make the, like, you know, like a more than a long stories video on Instagram. After you've done everything, you can just click on the next on the right bottom here. Okay, once you click on the next, your stories, these 4 stories, will be officially done to post on the Instagram story. Let's check it out. We click next and you get to see the stories on the Facebook stories. Just click on share. After that, done. And what you're gonna do is the same thing as well, same routine. You have to refresh your Instagram stories, and let's have a look on our new story update. Okay, need to take some time for that because of the internet. Okay, let's refresh one more time. Okay, let's have a look. Here you are. Here's our new stories on our Instagram. Okay, it's more than 15 seconds. It's like more longer in one time, and it's just like one shot done. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and hope to see you on the next round that I will teach you more about Instagram hacks. Thank you and see you next time. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to help us to like, share, and comment below if you love this video. Please subscribe our channel and turn on the notification. See you on the next video. Bye!